Hello guys, how to fix if you fail to refresh desktop on Windows 11 and 10. If you right click on your desktop and fail to refresh your desktop, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is launch File Explorer by pressing Win plus E shortcut key or simply through taskbar. Here click on three horizontal dot, see more and choose options, and folder options will open. Here go to privacy section under general tab and clear file explorer history. Click on clear. This will clear file explorer history, caches and cookies and other. It will take some time, wait for some times, and once file explorer history successfully cleared, then again click on three horizontal dot on the same file explorer windows and again choose options. Click on options, and in folder options windows go to view tab from the top menu bar, and under folder views click on reset folders. Do you want to reset all folders of this type to the default view settings? Choose yes. Reset folder views in file explorer fix this issue, fail to refresh desktop. After that, again on the same windows, right click on this PC option and disconnect network drive. Right click on it and choose disconnect network drive. Click on it, and in my case no any network drives connected, so if in your windows if any network drive, then disconnect it and press OK. Select it and press OK. It will disconnect your network drive with your file explorer, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute these three DISM tools as shown on screen: DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each times. It will scan your system, and once DISM tool successfully executed, execute the command sfc scan now. In command prompt windows, type sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your Windows system for any corrupted files in your system. It will not only scan your system but repair them accordingly. So wait for some times, and once successfully completed, don't forget to restart your system. Your problem desktop not refreshing resolved.